You cannot develop a state by developing Panji and leaving out Taligaon. If you have to develop Panji, you have to also have Taligaon as a part of the development. Maybe focused areas based on need and requirement will be more. So whether it is development, whether it is game or state as a whole, for me every person is equal and I don't treat them as an adversary. So political difference may be there, so we can work out a memorandum of understanding in which we'll say once the code is declared for any election, we don't see each other. We are enemies for next 1.5 months. After that again we can work together for betterment of the. In fact, a lot of people thought that Elvis is my strong officer, and they used to always see him as a. When he went to another political setup, a lot of people told me that, have you planted your man there? So that was a reaction. He probably also must have heard this. Because people in Goa don't believe that political thinking can be different from normal development thinking. So I am pleased that he took this initiative for having the games along with Vedanta. The Indian football requires a lot of energy, more energy to ensure that it crosses a threshold line. Goa also requires. In spite of all our efforts, we can't find many of them representing the country. So we need to improve our techniques, we need to improve our trainings. And as Elvis said, all the facilities should be also opened up for. The only problem is there has to be some discipline. What I find these days is discipline is missing in most of the cases. And maybe politics is stabilizing, but the games are full of politics. I was just having a meeting of SAG. Every federation has 2 factions. Every federation. So let us work for the betterment of the sports without considering what I will get. And football is my love. So I will definitely do a lot of things. Anything you require, you can write to me without hesitation. And I will be supporting. Let me congratulate the girls for their achievement. They have been achieving much.